Take a ride in the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.